Make your dream of owning your own home come true with this cute ranch-style home. Located less than 2 blocks from Lake Winneconne. This home is move-in ready with all appliances included and has a new walk-in shower and first-floor laundry. This home has been pre-inspected, report provided in documents. Windows have a transferable warranty on them. There is road construction on 5th Street, estimated to be completed end of summer. Seller to pay the complete assessment when due. Assessment is attached in documents. Per seller, if any offers are submitted before June 29, they will not be reviewed until June 29. Open house Saturday, June 25, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m.